In today's video, we're gonna review the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what guys, alam ko na na-miss nyong i-review ko tong brand na to. Dahil kasi naman dun sa last 2 reviews natin, sobrang pasabog talaga yung lip products na tong brand na to. And that is none other than Qwyn Cosmetics. For those of you guys who don't know yet, Qwyn Cosmetics is a local brand which is owned by Maria Eliza LaGuardia. Alam nyo guys, 17 lang siya. Well, hindi ko actually sure kung nag-18 na ba siya or 17 pa rin siya. Pero diba sobrang bata pa lang niya pero she owns this amazing local brand. So today magta-try na naman tayo ng panibagong lip product from Qwyn Cosmetics. So if you guys are interested, what are you waiting for? Let's glow! So saan pa nga ba manggagaling ang lip products ng Qwyn Cosmetics? Of course, walang iba kung hindi sa kanilang iconic pink bag. Itong pink bag na to kasama to sa PR package ko and kukunin na natin yung mga products na i-review natin today. Ayan! Bongga! In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream. They have 5 shades in total, so to start off the review, let's head on to swatches. And now, Glow Fam, those are all the lip swatches of the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream. Before we even start the product review, Glow Fam, gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng simple disclaimer. Now, the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream is not 100% opaque, so when you're choosing the product, you must consider the natural undertone of your lip. Bakit? Dahil hindi nga siya 100% opaque, pwedeng iba yung itsura ng lip cream sa lips ko dahil bawat tao ay may iba't ibang undertone ng lip. Pwedeng mag-appear na darker sa akin, mas lighter sa'yo. Depending on the undertone of your lip, ang mangyayari kasi is like a fusion of the natural undertone of your lip plus the shade of the lip cream. That's also the reason why I did these hand swatches for you guys para meron talaga tayong right color comparison. But we're gonna talk about that in a bit. Let's start with the packaging and the component of the product. When I got these products in the mail, everything was airtight sealed. That's all I'm asking for. Gusto ko yun dahil alam kong ako yung unang hahawak ng product. It's not contaminated away from bacteria or virus. Talking about the component of the product, it's on a standard lip tint container. Slim siya and sleek. It has a bright pink cap which is the signature or the brand color of Qwyn Cosmetics. On the body of the product, there's a wraparound sticker. Meron ditong baby. Siya actually si Qwyn Sam. And it says here Velvet Matte Lip Cream. You will find the shade name at the bottom. Yung overall design niya is like a candy drip with lots of hearts and sweets. On the other side, you will see the list of ingredients. It says here it's made in the Philippines, manufactured for Qwyn Cosmetics. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and it's good for 12 months from the open date. Sobrang cute lang ng vibe ng Qwyn Cosmetics. It's like girly, very teenager yung dating. Pero yung variety of formula ng Qwyn Cosmetics is just insane. It blows my mind. At dahil pinapag-usapan na nga natin yung formula, this specific formula is very, very different compared to the first 2 types of lip products that I've tried from Qwyn Cosmetics. Yung HD tint kasi, tsaka yung mattified tint, super intense yung formula nila. Like, yung color payoff niya is grabe, popping. Yung parang pag nilagay mo, parang ayaw na niya matanggal. Nagli-leave siya ng intense stain. But this one, again, it's very different. Pero I'm not hating it, and I will tell you guys why. Una sa lahat, I'm so obsessed with the scents nitong Qwyn Cosmetics. Actually, lahat halos ng products nila smells like this. Kung naaamoy nyo lang to, oh my god, it smells like bubblegum. Literal bubblegum. Kung kayo, batang 90s kayo, alam nyo yung bubblegum na pangalan Bazooka? Kung alam nyo yung amoy na yun, ganun na ganun yung amoy nitong lip tint na to. If we're gonna talk about the opacity of the product, it actually differs from shade to shade. Like the first 3 shades that we have right here, the opacity is around 50 to 60%. That means mataas yung possibility na magpipeek through yung natural undertone ng lip mo. And that is also the reason kung bakit binigay ko yung disclaimer natin kanina. However, on the last 2 shades though, nung nag-dive in na tayo dun sa realm ng mga deeper tones, masasabi ko na definitely tumaas yung opacity niya. If I were to rate this one, this would be from 80 to 85%. Mas intense yung color payoff ng last 2 shades natin, mas solid yung dating, pero tingin ko ba dapat pareho sila ng opacity? No, because I'm also not hating that. Bakit? Kasi if you're gonna look at the first 3 shades, sobrang ganda niya, and yung vibe na binibigay niya is like, you wanna go for a natural look. And with 50 to 60% opacity level, definitely ma-achieve mo yun with these 3 shades. But if we're gonna talk about the 2 darker tones, eto na yung parang i-feel mo na medyo striking. I-feel mo gumawa ng parang pag-gradient talaga na super obvious gradient lip, then these 2 shades will be perfect for you. Pinapakaramdaman ko yung lips ko right now. It feels like I'm not wearing anything. That's how lightweight this lip product is. Hinahawakan ko rin yung lips ko and definitely napakalambot niya. About the texture nitong lip cream na to, yung cream i-divide natin into 2 parts. Sabi dito yung cream ay matte. Yes, mararamdaman mo yung pagka-matte niya. And actually makikita mo dahil hindi siya ganun ka-glossy. Very light yung matte effect niya. Hindi nakaka-dry ng lips. And hindi rin ma-emphasize yung crevices ng lips mo or hindi magbibitak-bitak yung lips mo. Kasi most of the time we have this idea na pag sinabing matte, ay, naku, baka magbitak-bitak yung labi ko, matte pala yan. It's not like that. Now, the other part of having a cream base on a lip product is yung mga oil na infused dito sa lip product na to. If we're gonna look at the ingredients, medyo marami siyang oils which is nourishing for your lips. Meron siyang carnauba wax, meron siyang grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and meron siyang vitamin E. Sabi rin dito, meron siyang kaolin clay. Yung kaolin clay yung dun sa matte side, and the rest are used to hydrate and nourish your lips. If you guys are a lip junkie and medyo particular kayo about the ingredients, sobrang familiar kayo dito, and as I can see right here, this is not your basic B. Dahil most ng mga ingredients na nakalagay dito is actually beneficial for the lips. Hindi lang niya pinapaganda yung lips mo. It can also be used as a lip care if you're gonna use this long term. Now that we're done with the formula, we're gonna talk about the shades and the swatches. Glow fam, there are 5 shades in total. We're gonna start with the lightest shade up to the darkest shade. The first shade that we're gonna talk about is the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Valentina. This is how Valentina looks like. This is a cool tone, bright pink shade. Pag sinabi natin cool toned, infused siya with a blue undertone. If you're gonna look at this shade at first, mukha siyang intimidating kasi nga bright pink siya, and bright pinks does not usually fit or suit a lot of different skin tones. Nung suot-suot ko tong bright pink na to, since the opacity only plays around 50 to 60%, at dahil nga cool tone siya, na-lift niya yung color ng face ko and it made my face look fresher. I love the shade. I'm sure para sa mga taong mahilig sa pink, definitely magugustuhan niyo talaga to. I swear. Next up, we have right here the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Frances Lean. This is how Frances Lean looks like. It's a peach shade infused with a salmon tone on it. Out of all the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Creams, eto na ata yung pinakagusto kong shade ngayon. I'm wearing 2 shades of the lip cream right now. For my base, ginamit ko tong shade na to. And initially, I wanted to do a gradient lip, kaya minix ko to, pero eventually, nag-mix up na rin siya. Alam nyo, Glow fam, sobrang surprised ko nung sinuot ko tong shade na to. I never thought na magkakaroon ako ng MLBB sa parang peachy X salmon shade. Sabi ko nga kanina, this is my most favorite out of all the shades that I've swatched today. Sobrang ganda ng shade na bring out na yung natural vibes ng face mo. It makes your face look fresh, parang walang problema. Itong kulay nito, pag nakita mo sa ibang tao, parang mapapasabi ka ng, ay, ang fresh ng lips niya, parang ang sarap halikan. Yung mga ganong effect, ganun yung dating nitong shade na Frances Lean sa akin. Sobrang love na love ko siya as in. skin. Next shade, we have the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Janelle. This is how Janelle looks like. This is a light terracotta brown infused with a salmon shade as well. Pero if we're gonna compare this to French's Lean, magpo-pop out yung peach undertone nito. This one, makikita mo yung pagka-light terracotta brown niya. I also love this shade. This is my second favorite dito sa set na to kasi mukha rin siyang MLBB sa akin, as in, sobrang ganda. Alam mo yun guys, parang dati, sobrang nauuso yung popping red lipstick talaga, yung full-on lipstick talaga. Pero ngayon nakikita mo yung mga tao na they wanted to go for like a natural look, yung parang no makeup look. Ito yung mga shade na bagay dun. Ito yung vibe na to, yung binibigay niya is like relaxing, parang naglalakad ka lang sa garden, parang ang sweet-sweet ng dating mo, parang kahit hindi ka naligo, ang fresh mo pa din, mga ganong vibes yung binibigay sa akin ito. Sobrang ganda niya. I love the shade a lot. Highly recommended din siya. So now, Glow Fam, tapos na tayo dun sa mga shades with 50 to 60% opacity. Heading on to the last two shades, we have the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Patricia. This is how the shade Patricia looks like. It's a warm, light terracotta brown, and makita mo na nagpo-pop out yung orange undertone ng brown na to. Around 2019 and 2020, sobrang uso yung mga colors na to, yung mga terracotta brown, yung mga maraming orange undertone, yung mga very aesthetic. Pero just to give you a heads up, if you are wearing a warm toned lipstick or maybe a lip cream, hindi lang sa lips mo magmumukhang warm tone siya. Magre-reflect yung kulay ng lip mo sa entire face mo. Kasi yung lip product is like a make or break of the look. So if you guys are planning to wear something like Patricia, make sure na yung eyeshadow mo and yung blush mo fits perfectly with the warm lip that you are wearing. Sample, if sasuotin mo yung shade na Patricia, kailangan yung blush mo medyo warm tone din. Kasi magka-clash yung mga kulay sa face mo, like nakasuot ka ng warm toned na lip cream tapos naka-cool toned blush ka. Parang on top, fresh yung vibe na binibigay. Parang yung sa lower part, medyo sun-kissed vibe. So medyo contradicting yung tone. So you have to take into consideration na if you're wearing a warm toned lip, make sure that you pair that with another warm toned blush. Not specifically the same shade, pero pareho sila ng tone. Warm, warm. Kung gusto mo ng isang vibe, kung gusto mo sun-kissed, sun-kissed lang. Kung gusto mo fresh, fresh lang. Last but not least, we have here the Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream in the shade Emmeline. This is how the shade looks like. It's a straight up brick red shade. Again, 2019, 2020, usong-uso yung mga brick red shades. Until now, pwede pa rin naman siya gamitin kasi pasok na pasok pa rin sa 2021 ang gradient lip. So if you are a fan of gradient lip, then go for the shade. Sobrang ganda niya. Maglalagay ka lang sa center tapos magli-lip bite ka lang. Perfect na. Looking at the shade range ng Velvet Matte Lip Cream, it's fairly okay. Kasi you have your cool tones, you have your warm tones. That would perfectly suit any Filipina or Filipino skin tones. However, given the formula of the lip tints, actually nung binubura ko or nag-change ako ng lip product, hindi ako nahirapan magbura. Like one swipe ko lang mabubura na siya. So if we're gonna talk about the longevity of the product, I would say na you can wear this product for 3 to 4 hours. Tapos you might have to retouch after. Last but not the least, Glow Fam, I want to share with you guys, nakitang-kita nyo naman kanina, naka-10 application ako. Una, ginawa ko gradient lip, tapos nag-full lip ako. 5 shades in total, 10 applications. Alam nyo guys, walang kahapdi-hapde yung lips ko. Normally kasi pag gumagawa ako ng lip swatches, lalo na kapag super intense yung formula ng lip tint, pag nagbubura ako, sumasakit yung lips ko. This time, wala talaga. It feels like I'm not wearing any lip cream. Alam mo, feeling ko nga ngayon, para lang ako naka-lip balm. Sobrang gaan niya sa pakiramdam, as in. To finish off the product review, we're gonna talk about the pricing and the product availability. The Qwyn Cosmetics Velvet Matte Lip Cream retails for 130 pesos each. Meron naman talagang benefits to. For 130 pesos, yes, slightly on the pricier side shop, pero sobrang ganda naman kasi talaga ng shade. Ito yung mga lip cream na gugustuhin mong gamitin everyday. Kasi una, mabango siya, hindi siya masakit sa lips, hindi siya drying, napakagaganda ng shades, ang ganda ng itsura niya sa lips, and most of all, yung pinaka gusto kong i-highlight dito is over the top yung ingredients niya, na again, if you use this product long term, sobrang marireap mo yung benefits ng lip care na to. Kasi hindi lang siya basta velvet matte lip cream, para ka na rin nagsi-skincare eh. Kasi itong mga products na to, nakikita ko sa mga skincare ng lip products. All the products of Qwyn Cosmetics are available through their social media accounts. You guys can search Qwyn Sam on Facebook, at Qwyn Cosmetics main on Instagram. Don't worry guys, kasi ilalagay ko lahat ng links na kailangan nyo on the description box down below para one click nyo na lang, makaka-order na kayo ng lip products products from them. Again, thank you so much Qwyn Cosmetics for sending these amazing lip tints. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. And abangan nyo guys kasi meron pa tayong dalawang lip products na i-review for Qwyn Cosmetics and yung isa doon meron tayong pag-giveaway. So what do you guys think? Ano yung nagustuhan nyong shade sa limang to? Mahilig ka ba sa cool tone? Mahilig ka ba sa warm tone? Let me know your thoughts. Sound off down below. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Gonzales here and I'll see you on the next one.